Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up date and time on Insta360 GO Ultra. To do it, slide down from the top of your screen, then go to settings right here, and now scroll down until you find date and time. Now you can set date and date format. Let's go to date. I can set it, you can see, to whichever date I'd like. And I can also set the time right here. Now let's go back. You can also change the date format to month, day, year, year, month, day, or day, month, year. And I'll set it to this one because this is what I use. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.